Students, I am your computer science teacher and today I am going to discuss about conditional logic. Do you know that what is conditional logic? In our daily life, we often do certain tasks depending upon the situation. For example, I will go for a walk if I wake up at 6 am. If the weather turns cloudy, I will take umbrella with me. If Sarah passes the exam, I will gift her a watch. All these decisions are taken on the basis of condition. If the condition is true, we perform the specified task. Okay, that it's called the conditional logic. Now move that control statement. The flow of execution is controlled through control statement. Sometimes we need to execute one set of instruction if a particular condition is true and another set of instruction if the condition is false. Sometimes we need to repeat the statement. If we need to repeat the statement, we call these statements loop statements. There are three types of control statement. First one is sequential statement, second one is repetition statement, and the third one is selection statement. Sequential statement. Sequential control is the default control structure in C language. According to the sequential control, all the statements are executed in the given statement. And the repetition statement, repeat a set of statements called loop. The selection statement, the statement which help to decide which statement should be executed next on the basis of conditions are called selection statement. Two types of selection statement are if statement and if-else statement. So we can sum up the topic, today's topic. I hope you got all the points. Allah Hafiz.